clamp your femoral head. That's why we make sure that the femoral head is the femur is intact. The femoral head is still there because that is where we will clamp our muscle. Pamubi ka may skip as na tayo. Kabilihin pa. Na. Okay. Igawas. Igawas please. So, tanawa ha. Your muscle, your gastrocnemius muscle should be facing you. Tanawa. Kung ikaw nag-mount, kinahanglan ang gastrocnemius muscle should be facing you, not on the other side. Ganun man. If you will put it the other way, what will happen is your sciatic nerve will be at the back. You cannot see it anymore. So when the gastrocnemius muscle is out, face to face mong duha, then that is where your sciatic nerve is found also. Okay? Next, you make a loop, and then make a loop daan, and then just insert the loop, and then do a double knot. Kana, okay na siya. Okay, remove your scale pan, and then wind your thread on the lever. Wind lang yun. Wind lang yun, no need to make a knot. Gano man, kung magtangtang mo niya, nagnat mo, lisod kayo siya tangtangon. Just wind it so you can just pull it out after, no? So, when you tie, you have to put your finger there. Gano man, to stabilize it, no? And also, if this is up, tanawa ang needle to sa taas, di na siya ka-contract, no? So, you have to put it, push it in such a way that that needle is in neutral position. Okay? Nasa sa tarong siya. And when you wind, do not wind the thread on the middle of your lever. Nga naman, bugat kayo na para sa muscle, di niya madaog. Ha? You have to put it on the side so that it will be easier for your gastrocnemius to pull that scale pan later on. So you put now your scale pan. When we will be doing experiments on weight, on work, we will be putting weights there on the scale pan. Yeah. So actually, physio is a very interesting. Physio lab is very interesting because our experiments are also very interesting. Imagine in physio we deal with the body. So that is now your sciatic nerve. Kita dayo, no? It's just in front of you. Okay. So we now position our electrode. Okay, when you position your electrode, the sciatic nerve should be there. Really, ana, no? Lukad yun siya ka, prong of your electrode should be in your sciatic. Your sciatic nerve should be over the two prongs of your electrode. Okay, we're in, and then we'll just put the electrode on the holder. Okay, naanata, we can now make the look o tanawa. Huot siya no huot, dili siya luag. Because if this is loose, you cannot pull your scale pan. Okay, paig tubig na. There. Sige, we will try to simulate. Let us make our chart mover run at 10. Sige, someone can turn 10. Pull and then turn. Okay. Someone will have to pull a bit the paper. Sige, yeah. Turn on. Ikaw, Dili, you'll have to give single stimuli.
Okay na, boss.
Kaya gamay.
Wala ka balls do. Ay po po.
Okay na, boss.
150.
150.
Assist na.
Assist lang ha. Yeah, we stimulate singly. Sige ko. There. Isa ha. Yes. So those are your muscle twitches. Okay, so we do 2.5. We offset siya. Offset. And then put at 2.5. Okay, sige. So let it run. Okay,
Scissor.
put it back. And then do 2 simulations more close together. There.
Procedure.
Okay? Sige. So this is what you will